Today we head to the Iowa State Fair. Tomorrow is Dana's 50th birthday, and in those 50 years she's only missed one state fair. That was the year she was a foreign exchange student in Denmark. Megan has never missed a state fair, and this will be Josh's first trip. The first stop was to get Josh a pork chop on a stick. Kyle and I went over and got giant cinnamon rolls. And of course, Megan had to get her favorite fair food, mini donuts. Many times throughout the day, I would catch Megan and Josh staring intently at their true love.
Hey, let's go to the butter cow.
Each year, 600 pounds of butter are used to sculpt a butter cow. In addition to the butter cow, the sculptor also makes companion sculptures. The theme this year was Sesame Street. The first butter cow was created in 1911, and since 1911 there have only been 5 different sculptors ever to sculpt the butter cow. Each year after the fair is over, they freeze the butter and reuse it again next year. Something that always fascinates me is the big pumpkin contest that's displayed outside the agricultural building. Somehow these pumpkins grow to be 400 to 500 pounds.
Let's go to the big bull and the big boar.
Big bacon.
That's a big cow.
It's a big chicken nugget.
I think Josh may need to spend some more time on the farm if he thinks chicken nuggets come from a bull.
Alright, ready? Big pig? Big pork chops. Josh, a big pig. Let's go ride the big slide for my 50th birthday.
Is there in the local 5 giant slide. All adults and children, regardless of age, must have their own tickets. Please carry your mat and do not drag them on the ground. For your safety, do not run. Pregnant women and people with back problems.
Next we headed over to the Avenue of Breeders to see all the different livestock. One thing that has been on Megan's bucket list was to ride one of the really big rides at the state fair. Josh didn't want to go with her, so Kyle volunteered. They both said they had a lot of fun. After they were done, Kyle had to leave to go play paintball with some of his friends. The rest of us headed off to find more food. One of Dana and my favorite foods is the hot beef sundae from the Cattleman's Beef Quarter. Next we headed to the Cultural Center to see the dollhouses. Megan likes to remind me every year that before she was born we bought her a big dollhouse like some of these. Unfortunately, it's still sitting in the garage in the box, not put together. While at the Cultural Center, we also stopped to see the 3D chalk drawing. Megan took Josh on one of the State Fair's staple rides, the Old Mill. After they got off the ride, Megan wanted some lemonade, so we all jumped on the Skyglider to go up to Pioneer Hall. From the Skyglider, you were able to get a good view of the crowds. Every year, the State Fair brings in about 1 million people over a 10-day period. fall lemonade.
Everybody couldn't make a wrong turn. You waver and slip and you get burned.
Good stuff. Next we headed over to g.Mig's to try Georgie's Roast with the Most wrap, which was voted the People's Choice for Best New Food. It was good, but I think it would have been better had the filling inside been mixed together a little bit more. Megan decided to get a turkey leg, another one of her state fair favorites. As it started to get dark, it was time to call it a day. We went to catch the shuttle bus that would take us back up to the campgrounds. The shuttle buses are run by the Clearfield Lions. Clearfield is the town Dana grew up in. We all had a lot of fun today, and as you can tell, we ate way too much, but that's what you do at the Iowa State Fair. Thanks for watching, and please join us again as we continue to do it across America.